You are also the fan of Goku and wanted to draw him. So, let's get started. First, draw sketch. For that, make a triangle, giving jaw lines, then hair. Here, I am drawing freehand, but if you are beginner then you should draw using shapes. If you want to learn that, just comment below. I will make another, detailed video for it. For eyes and nose, part your face like this. Then draw eyes which between these lines. A nose on the vertical line. We are drawing an anime, we will have to outline it with black pen. But always light your sketch before outlining for best result. Now we are completed with sketch, let's do coloring. In pencil color we should work in layers. In face I will be doing 3 layers, light, mid and dark. Firstly, the lightest color face will be applied all over the face and neck. Then in the shadow part, we will use yellow ochre color. I am big fan of Goku. If you're also, then comment me, Goku. Then use brown for the darkest place. Our face is completed. Now we will do hair. In hair also 3 layers will be there. Starting with sky blue, leaving highlighted area white. Remember to leave the area carefully, as highlight and shadow only add beautifulness to drawing. If you like my tutorial, like and subscribe my channel. Then use dark blue color to make shadows. Now black for ultimate dark. In clothes, we are using blue, firstly dark to make shadow, and light to fill the highlighted area with the same pencil. Use orange for overcoated cloth. And now our drawing is completed. Look out to another useful videos also. Till then, bye.